In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from OneDrive to PC. We'll use the built-in File Explorer on Windows, and by the end, your files will live on your computer instead of only in the cloud. This is helpful if you're freeing up OneDrive storage, preparing to work offline, or just organizing everything locally. Start by opening File Explorer. You can click the folder icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key plus E. In the left sidebar, look for OneDrive. It might show your Microsoft account name next to it. Click that to open your OneDrive folder. What you're seeing here is the cloud-synced space on your PC, which mirrors your OneDrive online. Next, select the files or folders you want to move. Click once to highlight an item. To select several, hold Ctrl and click each one, or hold Shift to select Arrange. You can also use the search box in the top right if you have a lot of content and need to quickly find a specific file. With your item selected, right-click and choose Cut, or press Ctrl plus X on your keyboard. Cut tells Windows you're moving the files, not making a copy. That means they'll be removed from OneDrive and placed on your PC. If you prefer to keep copies in both locations, use Copy instead of Cut, but for a true move, Cut is the way to go. Now navigate to a local folder on your computer. Good choices are Documents, Desktop, or Downloads. Make sure you're in a folder under this PC and not inside the OneDrive section. A quick hint, the address bar at the top should show something like this PC, Documents rather than OneDrive. Pick the spot where you want those files to live going forward. Right-click inside that destination folder and choose Paste or press Ctrl plus V. Windows will begin moving your files. If any of them were online-only placeholders, you might see a brief download as Windows fetches the actual content before completing the move. Give it a moment if you're moving large files or a lot of items at once. When the paste finishes, your files are now stored on your PC. They're no longer just in OneDrive, which means you can access them even without an internet connection, and you'll free up space in your OneDrive account. If you want extra reassurance, open the files from their new location to confirm everything looks good. That's it. Simple, fast, and secure. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having your OneDrive files right on your PC.